morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today, we're going to do a little routine maintenance on a sewer. The homeowner wants an inspection, wants to make sure they're all clear, and we're obliged to do it. We're going to be using the rigid sea snake inspection camera to do this. You can't see on the ground, but with this technology, we get to film it, take pictures, and show you on the app what exactly is going on with your sewer, and if you have to make any decisions on maintenance or if you're having problems with your sewer. One thing is in this situation is that the sewer has to be clear to get a good inspection, because you can't, you know, see through water unless it's super still, and that never is the case. So stay tuned and we'll inspect the sewer and we'll get the shots. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train my two sons in the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. See you there. Okay, here's the clean out. Roughly 20 feet to the building. And we're going to inspect this because you see we got some trees here. We're going to make sure there's no tree roots growing in, which would indicate a broken line. And under here, oops, got my light. Under here, you know what? You see we have like a 20 or 30 foot run on the ground, that's it. So let's get the camera out and take a look-see. I could do it right from here. I think I may. Yeah. I decided not to dig up out front. So that's going to be another lesson on the clean out at the curb. But for today, I want to show you this inspection that you can do on your home and put the rest if your sewer's okay or not, with a simple inspection. And like I said, down the shore, the shore lines are relatively close to, you know, the size of properties are pretty much tight. Ouch! Damn it, that was my finger. Fudge! Oh. Now, I told them not to use the toilet for this inspection. Let's hope they listen. Now, right out of the gate, we have some grime. Just because it's the end of the line. Okay, that's all. But we're going to get the shot. You can see the pipe down there is pretty clean. PVC. Try to make a mess here. So. And we're going in. I'm not going to try to make a mess here. So. And over by the wall it's at 45 and we're already there. Bang. It's dropping below the footing. Boom. Going down into another 45, and now we're heading out to the street. And as you see, I'm 22 feet out and everything's looking really, really good. And with this short of a run, I'm going to put us right to the city main, because as you know, in most municipalities, you're responsible from the curb in, except for in Ventnor. They make you do everything. Alright? Now, look, oh, here we go, folks. I'm in the city main right now, and right there is my clean out, which we could take that cap off and look to make sure, but this is the curb. We're 40 feet out, and you see what it goes into, right? Cast iron, and it's a little beat up. You can see the crack in the bottom of the cast iron from the city side, and then we're going to drop in, and there, oh, look at that special contraption. Wow. There's a piece of cast between the city sewer, which still could be city. I'm going to measure this out 40 feet. I don't have my locator with me. If we had the locator, I could pull it out and show you exactly where this thing is. So, wow, that's a piece of old cast iron right there, boys and girls. And right there is our fitting. That's a T, because you can see. Alright, 37 feet out from here, 40 feet, boom, yeah. But this is so valuable to a homeowner, to a contractor, that to be able to see this particular customer wanted me to come out and just give them a heads up on what's going on, and they have no problem. So I'm going to report to them what we got, and we'll go from there. You know what? That was so faint that it might have been someone next door. Wow. I could hear the sewer flush from next door. Anyway, I did measure while I was outside, and cast iron is definitely in the street. But it's good to know now, you know. Your typical PVC sewer, 20 years old. Not in bad shape at all, folks. No roots, no nothing. I'm going to have to get the wipes here for the machine and measure off, and oh, they didn't listen. Here comes the sewer. Come on, man. Unless that, you know what? That was so faint that it might have been someone next door. Wow. I could hear the sewer flush from next door. And of course, I'm going to put some pipe dope on that clean out again. We don't want no leaky coming up here. Alright, as you see, we're inside and we got no roots. The lawn, the clean out. I'm not going to take this cap out because that's another lesson coming up for the homeowner. A film to come. Now, Let's go back in and get our gear. Little smear. Call it a day. And there goes another satisfied customer.